Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add a friend in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to go to settings and in profile. Now we can see three dots over here, and here we can see this option called find friends. Now here we can simply connect in Facebook and add our Facebook friends over here. So this connects Spotify to Facebook. And there is another option as well. You can go to search icon, and here you can search for the profile you want to follow or add. So let's search for this one, and you can simply tap and follow. Now the person is added. This is how you can add a friend in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.